Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you the exact steps to generate professional quality videos using Google AI Veo 3. So let's get started. First, open Google AI Studio, or the Google platform where Veo 3 is available on your account, and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside, select Veo 3 from the available AI models. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. Google is rolling it out gradually to more users and regions. After opening Veo 3, you'll see a prompt box where you'll describe the video you want to create. This is the most important step because the quality of your prompt directly affects the final result. Instead of writing something simple like a dog running, be specific. For example, write, "A golden retriever running across a sunny beach during sunset, cinematic camera movement, slow motion, realistic lighting, ultra-detailed, 4K quality." The more details you include about the subject, location, lighting, camera angle, mood, and visual style, the better your generated video will look. Next, choose the video settings if they're available. Depending on your access, you may be able to select the video resolution, aspect ratio, duration, frame rate, or quality settings. Choose the format that matches your project. For YouTube Shorts, select a vertical aspect ratio, while for standard YouTube videos, choose the widescreen format. Once everything is ready, click the Generate button and let Veo 3 process your request. AI video generation usually takes a little time, depending on server load and the complexity of your prompt. When the video is finished, preview it carefully. If something doesn't look right, don't immediately start over. Instead, improve your prompt by adding more specific instructions. You can ask for smoother camera movement, different weather, a new environment, stronger cinematic lighting, realistic facial expressions, or a completely different visual style. Small prompt changes often produce much better results. One of the biggest advantages of Veo 3 is its ability to generate realistic motion, natural-looking scenes, and high-quality cinematic effects that would normally require expensive cameras and professional editing software. To get the best results, avoid very short or vague prompts. Include details like camera movements such as drone shots, close-ups, tracking shots, or slow zooms. You can also describe the atmosphere by mentioning things like golden hour lighting, rainy streets, futuristic cities, cozy indoor scenes, or dramatic mountains. If your project requires consistency across multiple scenes, keep the subject description similar in every prompt so the character or environment remains visually consistent. After generating your video, you can download it and use editing software like Premiere Pro, CapCut, or Filmora to add music, subtitles, transitions, voiceovers, and sound effects for an even more professional final result. As Google continues improving Veo 3 throughout 2026, the model is becoming faster, more realistic, and capable of producing videos that are incredibly close to real footage. Whether you're creating YouTube content, social media ads, product showcases, educational videos, or cinematic short films, mastering prompt writing is the key to getting amazing results from Google AI Veo 3. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, Google tips, and the latest tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.